Today I'm going to be showing you some common certification errors and resolutions, and I'm going to start with the Cert 004. So here we are at the Training Berkeley Unified Test Region. This is training data that we use that's fictitious. And I'm going to go to my cert errors by first looking at my certification status. So in the left nav, I select this certification status menu item. And you can see that the snapshots are posted here. I'm going to go to fall 2 so I can take a look at my fatal and warning errors. This is the certification summary. You can see when the most recent snapshot create date occurred, as well as the total number of errors and warnings that I currently have. And you see the revision status is revised uncertified. So I'm going to click on my certification fatals to see what I'm up against here. I'd like to start with the Cert 004. I'm going to click the active button show so that I can get a list of these 29 SSIDs that are creating this. And if you're not sure what a Cert 004 is or any of the certification errors, the bottom of every page in CalPads we have the documentation footer. I'm going to click here on the error list to download and open the Excel document. And so here is our Excel error list document. And I'm first going to click Enable Editing so that I can work with the data. And then I go to the bottom tabs of this workbook and look at the different sheets that are provided. I'm going to click the ellipses and get all the way over to Fall 2 certification. You can see here at the top of the header columns are a filter box. And so I like to select only the error that I'm working with so that I'm not inundated with information. Here is the Cert 004. This is when a student has no ethnicity or race data populated, and it uses SINF data. So this is looking at the student's demographic record. So let's go back to this list of students who are triggering the error. This is my certification status Cert 004 ethnicity results. So I'm going to select the second SSID to demonstrate the resolution. I'm going to move to another window. So um, right click on the tab at the top of the browser. I'm using Chrome, which I found to be the best or most stable environment, and click duplicate. That opens an additional web tab for me. It's going to duplicate the information from whatever page you started on. And in the left navigation, I'm going to copy and paste the SSID of the student that was triggering our Cert for. So here we have Richard Student, and going to the SINF or student's demographic information, I can see here that the Hispanic ethnicity indicator and race information is missing from the student's record. So the way that we would resolve the error is to open this modal and demographics and to add that information. So I'll scroll down here and I'm going to, the student in my SIS is listed as being white and Korean. And because I know that the parent guardian highest education level code must also be populated prior to validation, I'm just going to select that now. I'll click validate. And I see the green validation successful and post. And I'll post this data to the ODS. And here we can see that the information has made its way into the student's detail page. If you need more help on resolving your errors after you have looked at the error list, you can always click on the Help menu and then the Service Request menu item. This will bring up a separate tab in your browser so that you can submit a ticket. What you're looking for now, once you resolve those errors, is to go back to your certification summary and see a snapshot create date after the time in which you've done any work manually correcting errors. If you'd like more information about certification Fall 2 resolution of errors, you can see the playlist in this YouTube video.